the Academy of Model Aeronautics Flight School. Today's lesson, air. This is one of the best schools for science fairs that I know of, because you guys do science fairs, so I love you. You do good science, and that's kind of cool. Also tonight, the Academy of Model Aeronautics International Headquarters, located in Muncie, Indiana, are here also. And so we have Emily. Everybody say hello to Emily. And I really like how you got involved with Emily's activity. Looks like a few of you had some fun over there. Just a little bit of fun. They have big fun with all things that fly. And so tonight, what I hope to do is to show you a little bit about the science of air, because airplanes fly in air. And that's what we're going to do today. So I brought a bunch of activities that have to do with air. And I hope it's okay if we fly some things. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. I hope it's okay if we break some things. Is that okay? And now, I'm not sure about this next one, because is it okay if we explode some things? Yeah. Okay. All right. Then let's get started. Okay, so a couple of safety things. A couple of safety things. Whatever happens, don't let me get hurt, okay? All right. And also, stay put. If you would, stay put, please. I'm going to be moving up and down here, so cool stuff. All right, so I need your help. Air. The Academy of Model Aeronautics have 3 types of things that fly. And each one of those types, there are really hundreds of different categories. And so tonight, during the demonstrations, I'm going to explain how this beautiful matter called air, how things can fly in it. Now, the first type we have, the Wright brothers, who one of them came from Indiana, was born here. The Wright brothers had a toy when they were young called the Wright Bat. And it is a helicopter. That's a toy 100 years ago you might have played with. And Emily, this is called free flight. That means when she lets it go, it's going to go wherever she's designed it to go. So let's give her a 3, 2, 1 launch. Ready?
3, 2, 1, launch!
Wait a minute. You're supposed to go, for TV, you're supposed to go, wow! 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Okay, now as you can see, we've come a long way from the Wright Bat. This is something that you may be familiar with. This is the famous FPG-9, which stands for Foam Plate Glider, 9-inch. But it has all the things that the Wright brothers invented. It has a way for an airplane to go up and down called pitch. It has a way for an airplane to roll. And it has a way for an airplane to yaw. See, the Wright brothers figured that out. They figured by putting elevators to make a plane go up and down, and by putting a rudder to make it go straight. And so this is, believe it or not, a very sophisticated free flight model. And so when I fly it, hopefully I can make it go where I want it to go. All right? And so it's a hand launch. And you can keep that one. That's your first free flight model. So, free flight. All right. Clapping is good. Come on, clapping is good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, I need your help. Air. Air is made of matter. Now, air is made of matter. And all matter, 2 things. I need some help. All matter, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and all the girls in the audience, repeat after me. All matter, takes up space. Now, come on, you got to put your hands in it. Ladies, all matter, takes up space. Gentlemen, and has mass. Now let's repeat that, boys and gentlemen. You're going to say takes up space, okay? In your best Vanna White voice. And girls, you're going to say has mass when I get to you, okay? All right. All matter, takes up space and has mass. So if air is matter, it does what? Takes up space and go. So I'm going to do some work. I'm going to use a force, a push. Oh. I did. That's called sound energy. We'll talk about that in a minute. All right, here we go. I'm going to do some work. Should I do more? Yeah. All right, I'm using a force to move in. Oh. All right, you know what they say? Third time's a charm. Or 4. All right, here we go. Yeah. I got to tell you something. You guys are a pretty good crowd. Yeah. You know, this is the last one. Now, I'm kind of glad. Can I tell you something? In your science experiments, and this is a good lesson, in your science experiments, most people give up when it doesn't work. But the real scientists in the crowd try to find it so it works, and they don't give up. So, I'm putting some air in this one. Should I 2 more?
Yeah.
1 more?
Yeah. Not too much.
Okay, so I have air is made of matter, takes up space, and has mass. And so we can move things in air with a little bit of force. Finally. Okay. All right. I need you two. Come here, please. Yes. And you. Yes. Okay. Yep. You. Very good. Come on. You. Yes. Take that. And take this. And can I get you two guys? Okay. And one more blue shirt. Okay. All right, stand next to me. 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Here you go. All right, so if air takes up space and has mass. Now, when I was a kid, they didn't have fancy ones like this. So I would go to my dad's drawer and get a handkerchief out. Now, don't do that without asking. And I would make this parachute. And so, if I don't know, I've just made these. I hope they work. It's been a long time since I've been 9 years old. And we're going to throw these up as high as you can. Now, we probably should throw them that way, okay? So they don't hurt anybody that way.
They're gonna break them.
Now, you aim for the sky. Now, there's air, so if these work right,
Should we take
take the rubber band off. Yeah, good idea. Take the rubber band off. Really good idea.
Yeah, we should throw
All right, you get to keep it. All right, here we go. Ready? I'm going to practice mine first. Keep that. I'm going to practice mine first, and let's see if mine works. I hope yours works. But if it doesn't, we'll just try it. 3. I'll do mine first. Give me a 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Not bad. All right, it's your turn. Ready? Throw it up. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's give a round of applause. Walk over there and get it. Okay, you guys can keep those. You can keep those. Okay, all right. So, you guys can keep those. Have a seat. All right, so if air takes up space and has mass, then it must weigh something. And so this bar, let's see, can I have, let's have this guy right here. Come on up. Thanks for volunteering. All right, so what you have here, this is called an atmosphere bar. And this represents how much air is from right here all the way to outer space on every inch. So put your hands out, 2 hands out, and describe what this feels like.
Heavy.
Huh?
Heavy.
Well, hold it for a second there, okay? And do some curls. Okay, do some more. Very good, very good. And so that feels heavy, doesn't it? So really, that's 14.9 pounds. Now, put your hand like that and hold it. Per square inch. Can you hold it? Huh? Can you hold it? With one hand? No. Huh? Are you sure?
I bet I can.
So it's pretty heavy, and it's pretty heavy. Let's give him a round of applause on that. It's pretty heavy. And this is how much air is all around us, pushing on us, called air pressure. And it's a lot. It really is. Okay. So we're going to try this. If I get this to work right. So if that is how many pounds are on 1 inch, this is a big piece of newspaper. I'm going to see if I can break this stick, this ruler, say with a hammer, because what I want to do is this. I want to hit it, and it should just go up like that, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
But if all that air is pushing down on it, maybe I can break it, because all that air is pushing down on it. Here we go. All the air is pushing down. Here we go. Give me. Did it break? Let's try it again. Ready? Wow. So it broke that, even though all that was holding it down was one piece of newspaper and all the air up above it. Okay. Now, I'll need another volunteer. Let's see. You guys need to scoot back just so. Let's have the young lady with the blue shirt. Yes, right there. Yes. All right. Okay, so this is a bag, and we call this a wind bag, all right? Now, I got a lot of hot air. I blab, blab, blab all the time, okay? So, how many breaths do you think it's going to take me to fill this up?
15.
What do you think? 1,000? I'm a teacher. I got a lot of hot air.
2.
Let's see. Let me give it my best breath. Ready?
3.
You want to estimate how many do you think? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Show me your fingers. How many do you think?
6.
Okay, 7. All right. What if I told you we can use air pressure and we can make this thing go all the way up? Would you come hold this end of it here? Let's see. With one breath that she can do this. Back up a little bit here. All right, you back up that way. Now, we're going to use something called Bernoulli's principle. And so what we're going to do is you're going to blow. She's going to blow really hard, and it's going to be going fast, less pressure, and the sky is going to fill this up. Okay, come a little bit closer. No, not so close. Back up right about there and blow right in the middle as hard as you can. But don't get close. Wait a minute. Take a deep breath. Okay. Look at the camera and take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Ready, set, and wait a minute. Look at the camera right here. Okay. Okay. You okay? Take a deep breath. Ready? Look at that camera. Okay. Take a deep breath. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And blow. Wow. Wait a minute. Let go of that for just a second. Wait a minute. Turn around here. Where'd you get all that air from? Huh? She got all that air from the atmosphere. Let's try it again. Okay? Hold on to that. Okay? Back up a little bit more. Here we go. A little bit closer, and do your best. Don't come closer, but just blow right in the middle as hard as you can. 1, 2, 3. I forgot to tell you to go like this. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Wow, very good. All right. You hold it. Let me try it. I think I might be able to do it with your help. Let's see here. Okay. You want to give it a shot? Here, I'll hold it and you blow. Let go. Whoa, nice job on that. Okay. All right. Hold it one more time. Let's see if I can do it. Now, Bernoulli says if I make it go fast, it'll have less pressure and the sky will help. Ready? Whoa! Very good. Okay. You can have that one. Okay. And you can have that one. Give them a round of applause, everybody. Thank you. Could you guys scoot back a little bit? Okay. So, my friend Jason, where's my friend Jason? My friend Jason, let's give him a round of applause. He's from the Academy of Model Aeronautics. And Jason, you're from Muncie?
Correct.
And Jason is in a club called Academy of Model Aeronautics. So he's going to fly a very popular type of not free flight, but
remote control.
Remote control. You want to give it a shot?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready?
They want airplane or helicopter?
You guys want airplane or helicopter? Airplane. All right. And so while he's getting ready, I'm going to show you the second type. Jason, just give me a second. This. Now, you know what? I've never done this in front of people except for tonight, so I hope this works. The other type of flying model that the Academy of Model Aeronautics use is called control line. Control line. So you saw free flight. So control line, the airplane is on a line. Well, in this case, it's a fishing line, but so what happens is, and they have races and how fast you can go. And sometimes they go like this, and they have, but I'm not going to do that anymore. They have two people that fly against each other and do tricks, and I'm going to see if I can land this. I'm not very good at landing it, but now you could very easily make one of these, but Jason, what do you have with us here?
It's just a flat foam remote control airplane.
It's a foam, made out of foam?
Foam and Mylar.
And Mylar. Now I understand that the Academy of Model Aeronautics has donated some very nice prizes for your science fair tonight. And we got a guy that flies models. And so let's see what Jason can do with this guy. Whoa. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Perfect. Perfect. You want to try the helicopter? You guys want to see the helicopter? Okay. Will it take you a while to get it ready? Okay. All right. Can I have your attention? I'm not sure, but I think there might be some helicopters as prizes. Now, you don't have to be an expert to do this. The things you see tonight, you can try at home, most of them, or you can even make your own parachute, make your own FPG-9, or you can buy your own helicopter. They're not very expensive these days. I got one for $20.
No, he said that.
Okay. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Jason, you have that upside down. I don't know if you know that, but it's upside down. Oh my goodness. That's wow. Wow. You see, he was trying to get that to stick up there, which is pretty cool. Pretty amazing. Let's give him a big round of applause. Wow. That was very good. That was a long drive, but I appreciate it.
No problem.
I don't know if you're sticking around or you got to go. What? Okay, Jason's going to be around a little bit after. So what I'm telling you is, can you imagine 100 years ago, the Wright brothers thinking that kids your age would be able to experience something like you just saw? It's amazing. So let's look at sound, some more things about air and sound. Without air, you cannot have sound. For example, let's see. I need, would you come here, please? Yes. There you go. All right, this looks like a giant slinky. Hold that with two hands, tight, okay? But really, in science, we like to use models, okay? Hold it tight. So, in science, we like to use models. So you can hear me now because sound is vibration. Oh, I just saw some vibration. Sound is vibration. When I make noise up through my air and vocal cords, it comes through air to you, and you hear it in your ears. Okay, hold that with two hands. You got it? I'm going to say hello, and this is a model of me saying hello, sending sound energy through air. Bring it down like this. There you go. Hold it tight. Got it? Ready? Don't move your hands, okay? Ready? Hello. Okay, try it again. Ready? Hello. Did you see the energy go through the air? Now, it's real simple. You do the same thing to me. Remember, in order to hear, you need air. Okay, you do the same thing for me. On the count of three, you say hello, and I want to hear it, okay? And I want to feel it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go on. Wait, whoa. I didn't hear it. No, I wanted to hear it. All you got to do is say hello, okay? Okay? Simple. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and say hello. Ready? No, whoa. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm getting old. 1, 2, 3. So in order for me to hear that, what do we need? What? Air. I need to hold it. This represents air. Okay, this time I'll hold it. 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
In fact, look at this. This is a, move your hand back, please. This is a sound wave, a low one. And can you see the high part? Now, only the smart kids know this, or only smart kids listen, but the high part's called a crest, and the bottom part's called a trough, and this is called a sound wave. Okay? And this is what happens when you talk, when your teacher's talking. Oh yeah. Let's give her some sound energy. Here's some sound energy. Thank you. Have a seat. And so, so if I can get air to vibrate, I am throwing air out of the end of this tube, and new air is coming in. Watch what happens when I close the tube. Predict. Sound yes or sound no? Because I have blocked the air. I move my hand. It can't come out. It can't vibrate. Oh, man. Come here. You help me. Come here. No crying in science. Okay. Hold a little bit. Okay. Don't hit that kid, even though he, okay. All right, and don't hit me. All right. You guys show us with your hand if you want us to go slow. Go ahead, try, man. Wow, you're good at this. If you want us to go slow, put your hand here. If you want us to go real high up here.
It's a UFO. It's a UFO.
All right, I'll do it, then you do it. Ready? Let's give him some sound energy. Good job. Thank you. Hey. Oh. Quiet on the set. If I can get something to vibrate, it should make noise. Let's see if that's true. Ready? Let's see.
It will.
Oh, this is dangerous.
It will.
It is. Yeah.
It will make noise. It's vibration. Everything is vibration.
Listen. Short things. Long things. Okay, show me with your thumb. If it's short, does the sound high or low? If it's long, you know, I was down at Eli Lilly, a very famous science place, and I borrowed one of their garden hoses to make this scientific instrument.
It's called a pamphlet.
It's called the garden hose thing that I borrowed. Okay, so the long one, show me with your thumb. This long one, should it be? Let's find out, right? This one here? Middle? This is why I get dizzy. Okay, thank you. And well, no, not yet. But I tell you, this. Okay, this has air in it. A lot of air. A lot of air. Show me your thumb. If it's got big air.
This is what my dad does when he drinks it.
And middle. And you guys can try this. You can try this with water at home. In fact, if we can get things to vibrate, maybe you've heard this sound before. Ready? Pretty cool. So if I get this to vibrate, it makes noise. What if I have something bigger like this?
Don't kill someone with that. It's a spear.
I'm sorry, I'm only allowed to kill one student a day, and but I'll need you in a minute. In just a minute. All right, so check it out. Okay, so hopefully I can get this to. Ready? If I can get it to vibrate. Let's see. Oh yeah. You guys hear anything? Go ahead and grab it. Grab it. Okay, come over here. I need your help for a second. All right, do you notice when it stopped vibrating, it stopped making sound? Ready? When I tell you like that, when I point to you, you grab it, okay? Wait till I point to you, okay? Practice. Good. Okay. Practice for the camera. Ready? Okay. Here we go. Ready? Don't do it yet. Oh, sorry. Do you hear anything yet? Very good, very good. Now stay up here, I need your help on something. All right, what's your name?
Dylan?
Okay, David?
I'm not gonna drink that. Daniel. You get to drink wine. Daniel, it's Dylan.
Come here, Daniel. Turn around this way. Turn around this way.
Dylan.
Turn around this way. Back this way. Face that guy. All right, now look. You know, we can hear sound, we can feel sound, but I want to know if you can really see it. So I'm going to put this down. You hold this, okay? And look inside it. And quiet, because he needs to concentrate. Get close. I want you to tell me what you see when this sound goes in here, okay? Are you ready? You sure? Okay. Complete silence on this side of the planet, please. Ready? Yeah. What? What? What'd you see?
I saw water come in my face.
Wait, you saw water coming in your face. Wait a minute. Every scientist should do the experiment over again to see if it works. Do you agree? Okay. All right, here we go. Ready? Look good. This is a great guy. Here we go. Ready? Quiet on the set. He must concentrate to see if we have the same results. Ready? What?
Just do it.
Just do it. All right, here we go.
That's on the shirt.
Quiet on the set. He's concentrating. The science must be true. Let's give him a round of applause. Okay, so back up. Okay, would you guys back up a little more, please? There you go. Okay, so, thank you. So if we can make air, since this is all about air, if we can make air vibrate, maybe we can make a sound. Now this is my tube, and the most important thing for me to remember is which end I get hot and not grab it. So, all right, so here we go. I'm going to heat this up, and you might know that when air gets hot, it expands. So which way do you think this air is going? It's going up. Have you ever ridden on a cold air balloon? Where would a cold air balloon go? Maybe we'll prove that later. Okay, so I'm heating this air up, and if I move my hand away, the air should start coming up through this, and we should be able to see something like this. Ready? When it's straight up, it vibrates nice. When I turn it, it bounces. Remember that spring? Let's try it again. So, we've shown that vibrating air can make noise. Now, what's going to happen if I do this? Cool. Long things, show me with your thumb. Long things make what kind of sounds? Okay, one more time. And small things make high sounds. What does that sound like? A whale. In fact, oh, this part's kind of dangerous, but should I try it? I don't know. Really? No. Okay, so. And this is really easy to make. You take a straw, pair of scissors, you take the straw, and I give very clear directions, so listen. You put it in the mouth, and you hang it flat like that, okay? You just take a straw, a pair of scissors, and you move your mouth, and you do it like that, okay? No, really, nice and flat like that. That's like I said. Okay, so when I cut this into a point, this is like an instrument that you might know of. Now, let's see if it's true about air. If we get air to be longer, show me with your thumb, make a prediction. Is this sound going to be higher or lower? Let's see. Here we go. Ready? What about even lower? Okay.
Basketball game.
Even lower. Let's see.
Oh no. It'll be.
You think so? Yeah. Oh, I take that as a compliment because I'm a dad too. Thank you, thank you. Sound like a dad. Well, if that sounded like a dad, this has to sound like a grandpa. So here we go. Quiet. Takes a lot of concentration. Okay, I'm going to try this. Thank you. But this next part is very dangerous for me because look how handsome my face is. Yeah, I'm going to show you. All right. If making it longer makes the sound go, what's going to happen if I make it shorter? Here we go. This is dangerous. My face look good? Is my mustache still there? Thank you. Okay. Move it. Let's see. Yeah, that word I have. I'm getting dizzy. Okay, give me some sound energy. Thank you. 4 minutes left. All right. All right, so, air, would you guys scoot back, please? Thank you. This is my, my air mover, okay? And so, what does it do? Well, I hope, let's see here. I hope I can, well, I pull this back and more air. Can I get to, would you come here, please? Yeah. You're not, okay. Would you come here, please? Come on. Quick. Okay. All right, let's see. Why don't you stand right here? And let's see. All right, pull your hair a little bit down in front of your face. There you go. Yeah, let me see that. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Let's see if I can make this air move. Let's see. And, you feel anything? What about then? What about that? Whoa! That's it. And so I pull this back and I can, since air is, it's moving air, it's, whoa! That's it. Oh. Quit moving. I know the science. I'm not a good shot. I'll tell you what, though. I got a better idea. Why don't you stand right about there. There you go. Okay. Let's see. Since I'm not such a good shot with invisible air, let's see. Would you guys please stay seated? Nobody move. Let's see. Ready? Oh, hey. Over there. Take it. Come on, take this shot. Here we go. Ready? Everybody else, stay seated. Slow motion. Nice. You can have a seat. Let's give her a round of applause. Okay, you guys cannot get up. You have to stay seated. We'll stop that now. You have to stay seated. Okay. In fact, if everybody would back up behind that line, that's where I need you, behind that line. Everybody needs to be behind the line because we're going to try a few more things. Okay, so this is, we talked about hot air balloons. These are cold air balloons. As a matter of fact,
That's messed up. What's that?
this is dry ice that evaporates into carbon dioxide, and you can see that it's colder because it looks like it's smoke.
Whoa,
And so, and these are definitely bubbles that are going down. And kind of cool. Kind of cool. In fact, it's very kind of cool. Now, this part's kind of dangerous. I'll need I like the way, yes, so you in the blue, yes. And here's my problem. Come over here. This is kind of, now stand on my right here, okay? Okay, so this is dry ice. It's very cold. And usually this is a gas, and now it's a solid. So we have some water here, and it's getting cold. I'm going to put some in here and see what happens. And it starts to, you know, the pressure, as that turns from a solid back to a gas, go ahead and thump that a couple times like that. Just thump that, would you? Down here, right here.
It's a volcano! It's a volcano!
Cool.
It's a volcano!
All right, now this is the dangerous part.
Yeah!
When I put this lid on here, I only have a few seconds to get away from me before it explodes, okay? Okay, so this is going to explode, and it'll be so dangerous. Are you okay for that? What? You speak English?
I'm kind of nervous.
You're kind of what?
Nervous.
You don't have insurance. That's okay, neither do I. Okay, so no, it should be okay. As long as I get away, don't let it explode till I get out of the way. Is it almost on there? Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay, you got it? Hold it. Oh, what?
It's a volcano!
Is there a hole in there? Is there a hole in there?
Yeah.
Really? What? There's a hole in this thing? Yeah. You know, you guys stay back. Let's put a little more in there. Hold that, would you? Go ahead and hold it. Squeeze it a couple times. Squeeze it. This is the opposite of a volcano. It's like a cold nano, I guess, because as this turns from a solid back to a gas,
Bubbles are still going.
it's really bubbling a lot. Okay, you're doing a good job on that. That's a good one. What? What? Whoa, whoa. You're getting everybody wet. Sit down. You know, and those kids over here were getting wet. What? Yeah, she's got an announcement for you. Go. She's got an announcement for you. What'd you say?
They should have worn their swimming suits.
You should have wore your swimming suits. Okay. So this is, let's give a round of applause. Go ahead, squirt them one more time. Right there. There you go. So just leave that right there. Okay. How much time do we have? Okay. All right. Well, this one is kind of dangerous. It's all right. So, if we can heat up air, we might be able to make an explosion. So I have some very special fuel. Okay. And it's okay, I've done this one other time. Okay. I put the fuel in it, but you know what? I'm going to put some more fuel in it.
I'm open.
And then I'm going to move the rest of the fuel far, far away. Now, the thing about this cannon, it does two things. And as soon as you're quiet, I'm going to tell you, because you need to know this. First, it was the liquid I put in there, but liquids don't do too well. But if they atomize, that means they turn into a vapor. That's when you can have combustion. Now, why is that important for you to know? First of all, you should never play with anything that catches fire. And second, it's not the liquid. Sometimes it's just the vapors that you can't see. And so right now, all that liquid is evaporating into a vapor. And if I do this right, I should be able to ignite the vapors. Now, what I'd like you to do is put your hands over your ears, like, not like that, that makes it louder, like that. Okay? And let's see. Which way should I shoot? This way? This way? There we go, there we go. Ready. Hands over your ears. Hands over your ears. And this is a special cannon where we can use air that gets heated quickly, and we're going to ignite it. Here we go. Give me a 3, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Not bad. And let's see. Not bad, not bad. Well, hey, if it worked once, we should try it again. Now, this one's a little bit different. This one's a little bit different. A long time ago, miners used to go into caves, and the caves they went into, it was before they had flashlights. They would use something called calcium carbide, and they would make what's called a carbide lamp. Now, carbide is a chemical, it's a solid, and I'm only going to put 5 little pieces in there. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, these little bitty pieces of solid, when miners would go into the cave, now not into a coal mine because coal dust will catch fire, they would take their carbide lamp, put carbide in it, but I decided to bring knock your socks off carbide cannon. They didn't use cannons. Ah, yes, good socks. And let's see. Right now, this is a solid. Solid. Here's my projectile. Here we go. Now, to make this a fuel, I have to add one thing. I have to add water. So when you went into a cave with a carbide lantern, you had solid carbide and you had water that would drip into it. And when it dripped into it, it made a gas, a gas called acetylene. So I'm going to shake that up. And right now, there should be some gas coming in here. I see some coming out. And this is called knock your socks off. Give me a 3, 3, 2. Whoa, that was a good one. So there, come on, let's have some clapping on that one. And this one's still bubbling. All right. We got this one. So we can actually put two chemicals together to make air. And so I have some chemicals in here, which is hydrogen peroxide, and I have some iodine. And this one will not make a loud noise. It'll do something else. That's kind of cool. Ready? I don't know. I haven't done this one for a long time. Give me a 3. I don't know if anything's going to happen. Anything happening?
It might make a
Whoa. Whoa. Something is happening. In fact, it's coming up more and more. And as that comes up, the foam is coming up, and no, let's see what happens if I blow this out. Let's see. I don't know if I can get it to light back up. Let's try it again. Because I'm making oxygen here. There we go, ready? Here we go. And so what you see is it's making oxygen. It's making oxygen. And when I had something blown almost all the way out, it came back. Let's give me a round of applause for this one. Thank you. All right. We have 3 minutes. Okay. This is I just made this one special for tonight. And you'll be the first one to ever try this. So it's kind of dangerous. You guys we need you to back up. And let's see here. Oh man. Would you come help me? Yeah. Come on now. Yeah. All right. All right. You can put this on because this is put this on because it just looks cool. All right? Okay. Roll that sleeve up. And put these on. And I don't know if we can get a helmet on or not. Okay. Let's come over here. This is my first ever hovercraft. Okay? So sit down facing that way. Can you put one leg over here? Okay, and hold on the seat right there. And let's take this off. Okay? You got it? You're holding on? Okay. Let's see. Ready? Are you ready? What's your name? Catherine, the first girl to ride a hovercraft. Here we go. Now, just be gentle. Let's see. Let's see. Go ahead, pull gently. Move back, please. Don't push. As a matter of fact, all right, let's see. Hold on. Watch your fingers. Ready? Let's hit a little more speed, shall we? Pull easy, easy. So all that air is pushing down, and not bad. Okay, let's see. Let go, let go. Ready? Let's give her a round of applause. Good job, Catherine. Go ahead and step off. Boy, you ready? What'd you? Okay, let's give Catherine a round of applause. Thank you, Catherine. Okay, I'm going to end with the whoosh bottle. The whoosh bottle, which is kind of cool. Oh, no. We got to end with mementos. We got to end with mementos. Back up. You guys need to back up just a little bit. Mr. Zom. Mr. Zom, I think they want you in the office. Okay, back up a little bit. Okay, so what does this teach? This teaches that science is fun. This teaches science is fun. Okay. All right, you can do this. I understand someone did this project. Come here. What's your name? Max, what did you learn by doing this project? Yes?
That there's a chemical in the cocoa meaning
Uh-huh.
that makes it go iron.
Okay. So he learned about some here. Put these on, and you can have those. Now, you know what to do, right? What we're going to do is pull that out and step back. Here we go. This is the last one for tonight. Go ahead and give me a round of applause. Thank you. When you're finished, please don't come up here. Please don't come up here because it's a mess. All right, go ahead and pull it out. 3, 2, 1, go. Close the clap. Thanks. Did yours do that?